3:47 and the noise is still going on, so I thought I would continue recording here. It's November 4th, 3:47 a.m. It's just very loud. It's a little bit windy, but that's not the wind. That squealing noise that's constant is. Right now this is a car going by, but as you can hear, the other noise is just constant. Every so often it gets louder, but it got louder. Holy moly. Died down for a minute there, and that's a car. It's coming back. It's really cold out. By the way, this is in Ontario, Canada, north of Toronto. We're going into 4 minutes of taping, and the noise is still there. It's getting louder. I'm shaking because I'm so cold. Well, hopefully you heard enough of it. I'm gonna go in for a bit. If it gets louder, I'll come back out and tape again.